Hi, I'm Ned Nelson from NYTC Noise Stop Systems. I'm here today at East Point Shopping Mall, Simei, Singapore, with the Accelerate Fitness Centre project renovation. We're almost finished and we're on the countdown to opening as we get the last few days over and the place is ready to go. Let's have a quick look to see how the guys are going. We've got 20 guys on site today, 20. If I pan the camera around, you can see some of them. And then I've got Boom, he's up a ladder over there. And you notice he's not at the top of the ladder, so he's following the health and safety properly. They're just doing the shop front. What originally happened was that we were going to do the shop front a bit like one of these hexagons, like that. But after installing it, it didn't look very good. So we're going to do a flat shop front to make it look more professional, more better. So one of the cool things about this build, I think, is the floor. A hand picked out how we were going to lay the floor on the day itself. The outside of the shopping mall, we've got the tiles that basically lead into the space and then into our hexagon sort of shape. One of the other cool things about the build is the ceiling. You can see it's not a straight ceiling, it's actually on an angle, and there's a reason for that, is to get better acoustic result so that we can allow the sound to pass from the back end from the front end to the rear, and it gives a better depth. And then at the top, we've basically gone around in this hexagon shape, which if you look at the bottom, where are we? From here to here, you can't really see, but it's actually mirrored at the top, so it's all interacting with itself, and you basically got lines following lines so that it blends in and it looks unified. We've got a massive stretch of mirrors that's going to go all the way from one side to the other. The easiest way that you can do mirrors to get a good result is by using plywood. A lot of people use thin plywood. We've used 18mm plywood on here to make sure that the mirrors that we put on are very, very flat. And there's an L box underneath and an L box on the top. And then Hassan down there, he's just brought in all of this papan, the kayu papan, or plywood, because we're building this stage as well, which we're going to do in under probably about 24 hours. That's all the structure going in. Yong's been putting that together, and then we're going to coat that with the plywood. We've got a time-lapse camera of the whole thing. That's been put in by a guy called Nick Talbot, and we'll do a nice little video at the end of that to basically show what we've done and how we put it all together. And then we've got the track lights in here. Each of these pockets, there's going to be a LED lighting, and then LED lighting. And then of course we've got the aircon floor to go in, and that's about it. Some of the things that we like to do to make the place better is that we're going to spray paint all of this black later, and we're looking at some day glow paint so that we can use basically a UV light to make it all glow. That's basically it. Hope you've enjoyed watching me babble on about stuff, and if you've got any questions about renovation, soundproofing, acoustic questions, electrical questions, just ask at the bottom of the video and we'll give you a professional answer. Thanks again for watching, and see you again soon.